Okay, we're going to give this a shot and see how it goes, and try to give you a heads up on what might be happening in November. And this is not a forecast. This is not locked in stone. We're just giving you an idea of what the pattern is. We agree with the pattern. The days may be wrong. The temperatures may be wrong. So don't live and die by this thing. But we're starting off. This is where our air mass is like. This is at 850 millibar level, which is about a mile up. As you can see, we're relatively warm right now. And we go through, and here comes our little blast over the weekend. That gets out of here. We get to next week, late next week. Here comes the 850 millibar freeze line is dropping through here. So we're going to be looking at overnight lows, upper 20s, lower 30s. And it would be warmer at the surface than it is at 850 millibars. That gets out of here. We warm up a little bit. We're still a little bit cold, probably on Halloween, maybe in the 40s or so, maybe the 50s, lower 50s. But that gets out of here. We have a warm up relatively. Then we start getting into a little shot through here November 4th. That gets out of here, another short warm up. Then we get into November 7th and November 8th time frame, and look at this massive storm that comes through here. Probably some possibly wind damaging storms ahead of it, and that gets through here. And then look at what the temperatures do. This is by Monday morning, November 9th, and this is 850 millibars, and we got a freeze line all the way down into central Alabama, which means the real freeze line is probably going to be in northern Alabama, southern Tennessee, somewhere in that area. And temperatures up here are probably going to be in the upper teens, lower 20s at night. That moves on. You go into the daytime, we're still probably only going to be in the 30s during the day. And starts to scoot out just a touch, but then it reinforces again around November 12th. And we get a shot that reloads and knows the freeze line stays south of us from November 12th. And then we load up yet another shot through here November 15th, another one November 17th. And we kind of get skirted by it, but we still stay below that freeze line, so we're still going to be cold through this whole stretch. Then that sort of modifies. Then we get another big shot around November 23rd. Then this loop ends on November 25th. But look right up here, another massive one that may drop through here somewhere around Thanksgiving, and a couple of these may have some snow. This is not a forecast. This pattern may end up being dead wrong, but that's what it looks like right now. Just giving you a heads up. Looks like a cold and active November ahead. We will update you as this pattern really sets itself up.